This is NOAA weather radio station, WXJ31. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City and is transmitted from a tower supplied by Boyd's Radio Service near Thomaston on a frequency of 162.5 megahertz. The WXJ31 listening area includes the following counties: Bibb, Butts, Clayton, Coweta, Crawford, Fayette, Harris, Henry, Lamar, Meriwether, Monroe, Peach, Pike, Spalding, Talbot, Taylor, Troop, and Upton. Visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings. You can also like your Peachtree City National Weather Service on Facebook or follow NWS Atlanta on Twitter. This advisory is for the following counties in Georgia, Butts and Talbot. What? Heat index values up to 108 expected. Where? Portions of central, north central, northeast, and west central Georgia. When? From noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts: hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. This advisory is for the following counties in Georgia: Bibb, Crawford, Lamar, Monroe, Peach, Taylor, and Upton. What? Heat index values up to 108. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, northeast, southeast, and west central Georgia. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts: hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. The current time is 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the 5 p.m. weather observations from around the area. At Thomaston, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 90 degrees, dew point 68 degrees, relative humidity 48%, wind north at 5 miles an hour, pressure was 30.08 inches and falling. At Peachtree City, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 91, dew point 72, relative humidity 53%, with a heat index of 98, wind southeast at 3, pressure was 30.06 inches and falling. Elsewhere across Georgia, at Columbus, it was mostly sunny and 96, wind northwest at 12. At Newnan, it was mostly sunny and 91, wind northwest at 6. At Hampton, it was mostly sunny and 92, wind north at 3. At Albany, it was partly sunny and 83, wind southwest at 7. At Atlanta, it was mostly sunny and 94, wind west at 13 gusting to 20. At Athens, it was sunny and 86, wind southwest at 3. At Butler, it was mostly sunny and 91, wind north at 3. At Alma, it was sunny and 96, wind north at 9. Across Alabama, at Auburn, with thunder, it was 80, wind west at 10 gusting to 21. At Dothan, it was cloudy and 76, wind variable at 5. At Montgomery, it was mostly sunny and 93, wind west at 3. At Anniston, it was partly sunny and 89, wind west at 6. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for north and central Georgia. For this afternoon and tonight, isolated thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening. A strong storm or two cannot be ruled out. Gusty winds, frequent lightning, and locally heavy rainfall will be possible, as well as ponding of water on roadways and localized flooding. A heat advisory is in effect for portions of central and eastern Georgia this afternoon and evening, as heat index values will range from 105 to 108 degrees. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Isolated afternoon and evening thunderstorms are expected on Monday. Storms will become scattered to widespread Tuesday through Saturday. The threat for widespread severe weather remains low. Heat index values will range from 105 to 108 degrees on Monday and Tuesday across portions of central and eastern Georgia. A heat advisory is in effect again for Monday as a result. An additional heat advisory may be needed on Tuesday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Thomaston listening area. Late this afternoon, mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values 99 to 103. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Light northwest winds. Monday, sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values 101 to 105. Monday night, mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Light north winds in the evening, becoming light and variable. Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. Temperature falling in the upper 80s in the afternoon. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Light east winds. Chance of rain 30%. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta.